Welcome back. Today, we're setting up a simple, reliable system in Notion for capturing quick thoughts the moment they pop into your head. The goal is to build one central place for all those snippets, reminders, and half-formed ideas, and then make note creation so fast that you never hesitate to jot something down. By the end, you'll have a dedicated Quick Notes page you can reach in one click, plus a button that instantly creates and opens a fresh note so you can start typing right away. Start by creating a clean home for everything. In your sidebar, make a new top-level page and name it Quick Notes. Keeping it at the top level matters because it's easy to reach and doesn't get buried under other projects. Think of this page as an inbox for your brain. If a thought doesn't have a home yet, it belongs here. When you're moving fast, you don't want to decide where something should live. You want a single destination that catches it all, and you can sort or refine later. Next, mark this Quick Notes page as a favorite so it's always within reach in your sidebar. Favoriting saves you time every single day by reducing clicks and removing the friction that can cause ideas to slip away. If you ever feel your sidebar is getting crowded, that favorite keeps Quick Notes pinned where you can find it immediately. Now gather your loose ends. If you have other floating, temporary notes scattered across your workspace, those little pages you spun up for one-off thoughts, drag and drop them into your Quick Notes page. Click and hold a note in the sidebar, then drop it onto Quick Notes so it nests inside. This small habit keeps your space tidy and prevents half-finished ideas from disappearing into the margins. Over time, you'll build a single, consolidated archive of quick captures that you can review and promote into projects when they're ready. With your home base in place, let's make note creation automatic with a button. On the Quick Notes page, type /button and select the button block. You'll see a small panel where you can configure what the button does. Give it a name that stands out. Something like New Note works well, and add a simple icon so your eye lands on it immediately. The idea is to remove any micro decisions when you want to capture a thought. You click one obvious button and you're in a new note. In the button settings, add the action. Add pin keys to and point it to your notes database. If your Quick Notes area is a database, choose that. If it's a page you're using as a container, select the database you rely on for notes, or designate the location where you want those notes to live. This action guarantees every new note lands in the right place without you having to think about it. Then, add a second step in the button configuration, Open Page. From the drop-down, choose New Page Added. This is the key to staying in flow. The moment you press the button, Notion creates the new page in your notes database and immediately opens it so your cursor is ready to type. No hunting for the new entry. No extra clicks. Your idea gets captured while it's fresh. A quick tip on placement. Put the button near the top of the Quick Notes page so it's the first thing you see. If you use a cover or an intro paragraph on the page, keep those minimal so the button is never pushed out of view. You want it visible, obvious, and predictable. Let's walk through the everyday routine this setup enables. You open Notion and click your favorited Quick Notes page in the sidebar. Right there, the New Note button is waiting. You click it once, a new page is added to your notes database, and it opens instantly. You start typing. When you're done, you can close the page and move on. Later, during your review time, you can refine, categorize, or migrate notes as needed. But in the moment, all you had to do was click one favorite and one button. That speed is what keeps your system alive. If you're moving old loose notes into Quick Notes, do a quick pass as you drag them in. Clear titles help a lot. Even something simple like Idea, Meeting Agenda Template, or Reminder, Follow Up on Budget makes the list scannable, so you can find what you need later without opening every page. This isn't about polishing, It's about making your list useful at a glance. One more small encouragement. Lean into this as your default capture habit. When a thought appears, don't switch apps or start a new document elsewhere. Go straight to Quick Notes, hit the button, and type. Consistency is what turns a page into a trusted system. Over time, you'll spend less energy deciding where to write and more energy actually writing. To recap the workflow without adding anything new, you created a top-level Quick Notes page, marked it as a favorite for instant access, and tidied up by dragging existing temporary notes into that space. Then you added a button to the page, named it clearly with an icon, set it to Add Page to your Notes database, and added the Open Page step so your new note appears the moment you click. That's it. It's streamlined, it's reliable, and it keeps your attention on the note, not the tool. If today's walkthrough helped, tapping like is a small action that really helps more people discover this kind of content. And we'd love to hear from you. Share what worked for you, or tell us how we can make future guides even better. We read every comment, and your feedback plays a direct role in shaping what we build next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your faster, cleaner, note-taking flow in Notion.